spoiler alert, I've got three spoilers. I've got, as I mentioned before, a really subtle, different style, kind of like a performance style, as you see here. And for those of you that want to get dirty, this really massive looking one here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a try. I've never done it myself on these two spoilers before, so we're going to do a little test fit, and then most importantly, get some feedback. Alright, so check this out. This is actually really cool. I've put these together all side by side so you can see the difference of all of them. The middle one here is the OEM Performance spoiler. This is the new F80 M4 style, and this is the new aggressive style that I'll be looking into. So you've got OEM E92 Performance spoiler, then you've got the M4 style, and then the new aggressive style. They all have a good finish, good fit and finish, good quality all the way through. They're all light, they're all strong. But in case you're wondering of the size, the shape, here's what we got now. Kind of the plain Jane performance style that everyone has. It's a good spoiler, don't get me wrong. This is OEM, high quality, looks good, etc., etc. But we want to be different, you know? And then first things first, we're going to take this one off, put the other one on. Alright, so you can see here, this is the M4 style. I didn't put it on all the way just because I wanted to get an idea, but you can see the tape from before, so ignore that little strip here. Pretty interesting. It's got like a low kick to it. It comes out further, like outward, not upward. And again, you'll have to excuse this here. I didn't take all this off yet, but so it kind of give you an idea of the shape and the angle. It kind of goes outward. Fitment's pretty good. It's pretty solid. Obviously, like I said, a different shape to it. Kind of tapers in here, which is really unique. Here's another angle. And so here's option 2. Way more aggressive. Look at that line. Thing is massive. Like a whale tail. Still has this unique, you know, F style cut off here that goes through, which is really cool. And it's like, and this is the total opposite. This is a high kick compared to the other one. The other one comes out, this one goes up. So when you look at it from the back, it's like Batman. Another angle of it from the back. From the side. You need a pretty aggressive rear end to pull that one off, it looks like. Good quality, same as always. Now this isn't a tutorial or anything, so I'm not trying to teach you how to put a spoiler on, which takes 10 minutes, but you gotta make sure you have these 3M double-sided automotive tape because they're a lifesaver. They come in a few different sizes. Get the thin one, I got the inch one and the half-inch one, so you can get those two. Completely up to you. And in case you've never seen it when you go into a store, this is what they look like. 3M. Pretty normal. This is a, and this one says it's a 7/8 of an inch wide. So this is what I'm working with before I put it on. Just a good amount of surface area all the way through. Getting your corners. May not be the prettiest thing, but just one last thing on this tape. Getting these corners off is brutal sometimes. You got to get like a little pick just to lift that little corner up. But once you get it, oh, it's smooth sailing. Boom. Installed. An easy test to know if you've done it right or if it's gone through all the way. You just go ahead and take your phone, turn on your L flashy lighto, and then you just weave it through the back and see if it shines through it all, just like so. And as you can see, no light coming through, which is good. It means it's sealed all the way. Alright, so here's the first glance at it right after I got it put on. What are your thoughts? And yes, it's quite aggressive. Well, you've seen it here first. Let me know what you think. If you like the M4 style, or if you like the aggressive one, or if you like the performance, or no spoiler, whatever. Let me know. Curious to know. Thinking about carrying it, thinking about putting it up. It was just kind of a test. I wanted to see what it looked like. I wanted something more than a performance spoil, and there didn't really exist, so that's what you see right here. Let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to, you know, I don't think I'll do a lot, but I'd be happy to have a run if people want them. And most importantly, see you on the next one. I got a lot more coming. Lot more coming. I got scoops. I've got a new lip. I got some more aero parts. All things that are brand new and fresh. So subscribe, follow my Instagram, and see you guys in the next one.